Hello?
Hello?
Hi.
Yes, you're talking with Stanley Jones. I'm the manager at the Mega Million Company. How are you today?
Good.
This notification regards to a check you have won in the Mega Million promotion, alright?
Yeah.
You have won 2.8 million US dollars along with a 2018 E-Class Mercedes-Benz. A
Oh.
warm congratulations to you and welcome on board at the Mega Million.
Oh,
Is this the
great.
first time? This is the first time you have received a notification about it?
Yeah.
And how are you feeling to be a lucky winner at the Mega Million?
Oh, this is great.
Are you familiar with the Mega Million?
Yeah.
Okay, sir. And do you always purchase your tickets or signed up your sweepstakes form?
Oh, yes.
All right. And you have seen our promotions on the television with the checks and the cards giveaway, right?
Yeah.
This is the bonus promotion we have you selected in. All right. You are now classified as one of America's newest millionaires. Your package is scheduled to be delivered to you in approximately 2.5 hours' time. Are you home at this time?
Yes.
Please get yourself a clean sheet of paper and a pen, and let me provide you with all necessary information.
Okay. Okay, go ahead.
First, I want you to take my name. It's Stanley Jones.
Okay.
What I'm going to give to you now is a security code that is registered to your cash prize. The security code is 02105 US.
Okay.
Repeat the confirmation for me.
02, you can go yourself.
That's what you do every day? Fuck yourself?
Yeah, right after I look at your mother.
Buy yourself some pussy. Buy yourself some pussy. Stop fuck yourself, man.
I thought the Mega Millions doesn't cost like
Buy
that.
yourself some pussy. Stop fuck yourself.
Wait, I thought that I won
Buy
some money.
yourself some pussy. Stop fuck yourself.
Did you gonna send me some money?
Buy yourself some pussy.
Uh,
Stop fuck yourself, man. Go find a strip club. Go find some girls, some hooker girl who hang out on the back road.
oh
Go buy
yeah,
some
man.
pussy.
Oh,
Stop fuck yourself, man.
oh
You're
yeah,
disgusting.
man. Oh yeah, man. Oh, totally, man.
Stop fuck yourself, man. Bumba clap, man. Go buy some pussy, rude
Yeah,
boy.
man. There are only five.
Bumba clap.
There's the five best rappers. It's Dylan, 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 and Dylan.
What the bumba clap, brother? You,
Yeah,
now
man.
what the bumba clap you talk about?
I got all day.
You got all day?
I got all day, man.
Have you seen an RPG before?
Oh yeah, I was in the military.
You was?
Yes. You
That's cool.
you don't know who you called.
No, I don't know who I call.
No, you don't.
But you seem like you're a very fun guy, though, you know?
Oh, I'm pretty fun.
Yeah, it's cool. So how long you been in the military?
I was in there for 20 years. I retired.
Oh, so you've been to the war, right?
That's right.
Oh, that's cool. That's cool, man.
So how much do you
So
get if I send in the money, in order to release the prize, if you will? How much percent do you get?
you say what?
I'm asking you, if I send in the money, how much percent of it do you get?
If you're gonna send me some money?
Yeah, because that's what you're going to ask me to do, right? If I follow the scam, right? You know, you're going to tell
Yeah,
me
that's what I
that,
was gonna.
yeah,
That's what
that's
I
how
was
it
gonna
works.
ask you to do.
Right. And so I got to send in like a cashier's check or like a PayPal or something, right? And then
No, you ain't gonna send me no check. All I was gonna ask you for, man, is just a $500. But
that's right.
well, let me tell you. You know,
Do you get to keep all of that? Or do you have to split
Again,
it with
yeah,
your boss?
I don't have a boss, man.
Oh,
Let
and you
me
just do
say
this by
this.
yourself?
Yeah, let me say this to you, okay? Because you see, I'm a honest person, and I know these things that people do in my country. We know it's not right, but the thing is, that's what most young people got to do here to survive because it's no job for us, man.
Well, why don't you come to the USA then?
Job for us. How the hell we gonna get to the USA if your country don't give us a visa to come there? How are we gonna get there?
I'll tell
And
you how.
we gotta
You go to
basic,
I'll tell you how. You go to school and you get a skill, and then when you apply, they will give you a
yeah,
visa because you have a skill because you can contribute to society. That's why.
yeah.
But if you don't have any skills, why do we want to let you in?
So you saying I gotta got a skill?
Yeah, that's right.
So
Like,
I gotta got a certificate, man. I gotta be certified.
sort of.
That's what I'm talking about, man. I ain't got the money to go to school.
No. Well,
That's
get a
that's
loan
the
then.
reason why. That's the
What
reason
about
why
hey?
I
What about
dropped
the
out
money?
of high school.
What about the money from calling people like me?
No, man. You see, all right. The thing is, you people think like it's not as we take up this phone we get money. It's not like that, man. All right? Not because it's a scam. It's not like that. We don't make money like every day or every month. It's not like that. Okay? Sometimes we undercut like 3% for a whole year. Okay?
Yeah,
And what we gotta do, man, we just spend that money wisely so it can maintain us. First thing, we make sure we got food, man, and clothes,
yeah.
and take care of our bills, you know. And sometimes
There's
we
no
gotta
legitimate
do.
jobs.
There are legitimate jobs, but you're not listening, man. It's hard to get a job here. Whatever job you go out there and they give to you, whatever money they pay you, man, it can't help you at all. I'm going to show you something for a reason. Okay, look. If I got out there like in this week now and I do some work, like some labor work, you know how much money I made for a whole week just for doing that?
How much?
I get like $10,000. And you want to know how much money is that in US?
How much?
That's $80, man.
That's pretty good.
So look at it. It's
But
$80.
but
It
things cost
sounds,
less over there.
listen, because
Things
it's
cost
ten
less over there.
thousand dollars. Because it's $10,000 here, it doesn't mean it's a lot. It's nothing.
No,
When you
but
take that
no,
to the
but
supermarket,
listen to me, no, listen to me.
listen.
No, listen to me.
When you go to the supermarket
$80
with that
worth
man,
over
saying
here is worth more
groceries,
over there.
everything is gone.
No, $80 in U.S. money is worth more in your country than it is in mine.
You see what I'm
The
talking
exchange
about? But
rate.
it's just, I just don't understand, man. But it's really hard here. That's why most people from the ghetto, like the teenagers, man, like who dropped out of school like me, we gotta try to do this and hustle. It's not
Yeah.
something we want to do, but
Well, there's
sometimes
a
we
better
really
way.
have no choice.
There's a better way.
It is a better way,
No,
but
there's a better way.
it's hard to find. It is a better way, but it's hard to find at this time.
Then that's your mission to find it.
Well, it's a hard mission, man.
Yeah.
I'm not a soldier like you.
Yeah, but you're taking money from people from over here who maybe don't have a lot of money
No, it's
themselves.
not
You don't
that.
know how much money I
Okay,
have. What if I sent you that $500?
I'm not.
What if that was the last $500 I had? What if I sent you
Well,
every dime I had, and now you're better off than I am?
I'm not gonna be better off than you, man.
You don't know
You
me.
always gonna be. You always gonna be okay. It's the United States.
That's a fallacy. That's you don't know that. You think that because you watch the
Yeah,
news, but it's not true.
but you don't understand.
No,
When
you
that
don't
Bible
understand because
says,
I'm living here.
I know, it's not like okay, I'm going to show you. It's a whole different levels of scam artists here. You got high levels. I'm not a high level guy. I'm just like a little regular guy. I'm from a country. All I do, I take my phone up. I got minutes to my phone. I made a number up. I don't even have a call list with people's names because I don't know your name. All I do is make your number up randomly from my brain, and then I try to make something, man. That's what I'm doing, man. I'm just trying to help myself, man. I
Yeah,
dropped out of
well,
school from I was like in 8th grade.
yeah, well, you should help
I
yourself
dropped
by not scamming people
it.
because people need that
No,
money here
no, no.
too.
The thing is,
You're
I
trying to
have to do
justify it
that
to me,
right.
but it's not going to work.
I'm trying to do what?
You're trying to justify to me your actions over there, and it's not going to work. It's not justifiable any way you look at it.
That's what with your people. You see, your guys always think it's different because you know why? You don't look out for others.
That's not true.
We all one people, man. We all got the same color blood. Your blood is not green and my blood is not purple.
You think I
We all
do you
got
think
red blood.
do you think that I think your blood is purple?
I don't know what you think, man, but I'm telling you, we all one people, man, and we should look out for each other, man.
Yeah, we do. But see, I can see what you're doing, and I'm not completely I see where you're going with this, and it's not going to work either way. So you're not going to get it the scam way. You're not going to get it the woe is me way. It's not going to happen. But
Now,
I have to
so
work because you
you
called me at
think,
work. You called me at work. I'm in the
you
middle of
think,
working, so I don't
so
have
you think
time to sit on the phone with you and talk to you about why you shouldn't be doing this. So I'm going to
no,
hang up now.
it's okay, man. I
But
was just, I was just saying something to you, but
yeah, I
it's
know.
okay, man. You take care of
I
yourself.
gotta go. See you later.
Yeah, you take care.